Hi everyone, in this video, I will teach you how to send money with GCash to the Philippines via Wise. Don't you worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first you're just gonna open the Wise application, and once you've opened your Wise application, you will see this screen, and on this screen, the one we're looking for is send, and you can see that right in the middle bottom part of your screen. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will be transferred to this screen, and on this screen you will have two boxes. For the first box, that is where you're gonna input how much you're gonna send and the currency you're gonna be sending from. Let's say we're gonna use this US dollars. I'm just gonna input 500 US dollars, and right here on the second box you will see the amount that the recipient will be receiving. And of course, the currency that we're looking for here is the Philippine peso. As for, we're going to send it to the Philippines. Once you've got that set up, just tap on continue. Once you've tapped on continue, you will be transferred to this screen. And on this screen, we're not going to use the email name or phone, which is asked here. We're going to tap on the add button on the top right corner of our screen. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will be asked who's your recipient. And the one we're looking for here is someone else. Let's go ahead and tap it. And once you've tapped on it, you will be transferred to this screen in where you're going to enter the account details. But before we proceed with entering the account details, we're going to switch the bank details from local bank account to e-wallet. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you are now ready to go for filling up. And by the way, when sending to GCash to the Philippines, you're going to need their email, full name of the account holder, and when you tap on here on the wallet provider, you will see this option, and the one we're looking for here is GCash. Let's go ahead and tap it. And once you've tapped on GCash, you're going to be asked for the recipient e-wallet number, which is their number. Let me type in a sample. Let's say that is the number. And on the next box, you're just going to choose the country. And of course, the one we're looking for here is the Philippines. And once you've selected that, you're going to have to ask for the name of their city and for their address. And also the postal code for their location. And once you're done filling this up, all you have to do is to tap on confirm. And Wise will be asking from which you're going to be sending from. If it's your bank account, credit card account. But the one that I would suggest is do not use your credit card, as for you will be charged with a higher amount. Once you've confirmed that, you will be able to tap on send, and you will be now done in sending the money from your country to the Philippines in their GCash using Wise. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.